Because you can start.
First, we will sign in on the Google Make Stories. Sign in के बाद after sign in this page will open. I have since you are new to you won't be seeing so many stories. You have to just click on create new story. Create new story में first thing you have to fill is story name. Story name is basically, as you can see, I have this mail. इसमें there is one heading, 9 points, and one more line which is short descriptions. We'll copy the heading, paste it in story name, and continue. This page will open. It is saying slide 1, your page. You can delete this text. First thing you have to do is add some footage on this slide. How will you add this? Footage provided in these links. You have to download, edit them, and then once you have downloaded and edited them, you have to just drag and drop footage. Like I dropped I edited footages and then uploaded के बाद the next step is to add media. Add media में आप when you have uploaded, you go on the tab. Yeah, there will be this add media option. When I do this add media, it will add that media to the slide. We have to fill it to the ends and then put text. Text means while putting text, you have to make sure on first three slides. Slide 1 should have heading 1. Heading 1 would be basically the heading of the story name would be the heading 1. There are some text के options है इधर. There are text options. You can like central line करके रखेंगे इसको. Make sure it is central line. Font, so many fonts you can use any. And many options you can play around with these, like while creating text and images. You have to make basically 11 slides, as I showed you in the mail. Heading and 9 points and a logo slide. And we'll create 11 slides total. Slide is basically that slide 2, adding the next photo. Slide 2 text would be heading 2. You have to make sure first 3 slides are heading 1, 2 and heading 3. You can also, for footage, you can also use these options like images. You can also search images from here. You can use videos from here also. GIFs. Many things are there. You can just check them out. After heading 3, you can use any heading. Like copy heading 3 and paste on the others. That would also work. Once you are done with making 11 slides, as well, when your first slide is complete, you have to do one more thing has to be done on first slide. Well, every slide you have to do this thing also. You select your image. There is an option of image settings. Image settings. Image settings mean you have to fill image alternative text, which is basically the text written on the slide. You have to copy it and just paste it in the image alternative text slide. Here it is a video, so it is saying video settings. You have to put the text in, copy and paste in video settings. Like this you have to make 10 slides. 11th slide you have to do one more step. There is, and then on right side there is one more on click option. You have to open it and it is, then you have to fill URL of the page which it should land on. You will be provided these links by your respective teams. After putting this URL, you have to click on preview. Preview will open up next window. You have to copy this link and share with your team. And make sure you have put it the on click link because that works for this. When you click, it lands on the channel page. If you haven't, like if I just remove this link, I didn't put this link right now. I click on preview. And now when I'm clicking on this click option, you can see it's doing nothing. It's just going back and forth. Previous pages for. See, nothing is. So you have to make sure you put that on click link. After all these steps are completed and your story is approved, you have to go on preview. Next step is publishing the story. Publishing as a web story. You have to select this option. Then this page will open. It is asking for set up publisher details. First option is title. Title is basically the name of the story, heading of the story. Then again it is asking for name of the channel. Basically it is English story, so now I'll use News 18 only. Story language. Story language select करनी है. You have to select the story language. Then set up posters. While creating posters, you have to make sure the image pixels are 950 by 950. Anything less than that won't be accepted and it will reject that image. There are 3 times you have to 3 posters set करने हैं. You have to set 3 posters. Posters are basically starting page of the. After this, you will once you click on the poster image, हेलो हेलो,
यस विकास यस.
अभी ठीक है? मेरा ठीक चल रहा है ना? कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं हो रहा था?
नो नो नो.
ठीक है. Once you have set up the posters, you have to save and proceed.
Poster is a compulsory, right?
Poster compulsory, yes sir. Poster is compulsory. If you that, then you will not get the option to save and proceed if you won't set up the posters.
Okay.
These all steps are necessary. If any of them is missing, it won't show. Like if I remove the channel name,
Okay. Okay.
now it is not showing save and proceed. So you have to fill all these steps. These are necessary. Now you click on save and proceed. After save and proceed, next page is asking type. Type में in type you have to select article. That's only article, nothing else. After type, it is showing title. Title it will take itself. Then you have to fill keywords. Keywords are basically words, basically Instagram hashtags, Google hashtags, like them. So you have to make sure you put at least 8 to 10 keywords related to the story. And after one word, after every word, make sure you put comma and space. Word 2, comma, space. Word 3, comma, space. Word 4. And you have to put at least 8 to 10 keywords. Then the next option is article type. In article type, you have to select news article. After that, it is short description, which will be provided to you in the mail. Short description. After that, social media image. Social media image is basically the image you used for poster on the last page. You have to use that image only. After that, it is asking author type. Author type में there are two options, person and organization. We are going to select organization always. Then name of the channel. Name of the channel News 18. And again publisher name is going to be the same as author name. Then publisher logo. Publisher logo link will be provided to you. Then publishing date. Publishing date is going to be today. After that, you have to save and proceed. Now when I save and proceed, it is showing 2-3 errors. Errors are basically, first error is your story does not have enough character count. First error is basically your story does not have enough character count, which is minimum 500. It is because I haven't completed the story. I have just added the pages to show you. I'll show you in another story. Wait. Like in this story is completed, so it is not showing any error because character count is 502. See, this story is showing two errors. First is character count is minimum less than 500. Because it is not completed, it has empty slides and no text. That's why it is showing this. And the second error is following images do not have alt text, alternative text basically. When you click on edit, this alt text is basically the text I told you to put on the every slide like this. This here I told you to put text. This title text is basically alt text. If you like, if on any image this is missing, it will show this error. When you have put it all the text, it won't show this error. Neither will this 500 character count error show. Now, since this story is completed, तो इसमें कोई error नहीं है. There is no error in this story. Then you will click on setup analytics. And bottom it is showing publish story. You will go to publish story. Click on the first option, export to zip. Then there are two boxes. You have to select the second one, include external assets in zip. After that, it is asking for a canonical URL. Canonical URL will be provided to you. I have this. There is a format to complete this canonical. It is like, first you paste the URL, then the story name, and after story name you have to make sure there are no spaces in the URL. You have to replace spaces with blanks, dashes basically. All the spaces replaced with dashes. And after story name slash index.html. This will be the process of creating canonical URL. Then story name without spaces and close with slash index.html and then click to export. It will take 10-15 seconds and then it will show you the option to download the zip file. Now it is showing after it has completed its steps and now it is showing click here to export, download. And you have to make sure when you click here when the download window pops up, you rename the story on that point only. Because it will use code words, coded names which you won't be able to understand later. So make sure you rename the story when you are downloading the zip file, then only. And this is basically the process. And then you can just back to editor and go to your home page. Hello.
Yes, because download हो गया था ना.
हाँ सर डाउनलोड हो गया.
हाँ तो डाउनलोड को रीनेम करने बता दो कैसे रीनेम करते होगी.
वो मैंने डाउनलोड का विंडो इसमें शो नहीं कर रहा है, शेयर नहीं कर रहा. तो जैसे एक बार मेरा विंडो खुल रहा है ना साइड में, वो ऑप्शन नहीं दिखा पा रहा है. बेसिकली मैं एक बार दिखा रहा हूँ.
हाँ जैसे कोई डाउनलोड होगा आपके पास ना.
हाँ एक बार दिखा. So basically, when I downloaded the video, it saved it like this. So now I don't. So then you won't be able to understand how the which story is this. So that's why it is like compulsory to rename it at that point only. Because you saved it once, you won't be able to rename this thing and understand what is this. So that's why we try to rename it at that point only. It's just renaming any file, you have to do like that. सर रिनेम तो यही ऐसे
Now it's clear, no?
हाँ सर
Everyone is clear? In doubt? Ananya, Yuvraj?
if you want to ask anything please